Okay, so Lushberry Juice is the most popular drink in the whole Elven world. Everybody drinks it every day. So now we are making the Lushberry Juice.
Lushberry Juice?
Yeah, and who doesn't love to say Lushberry? It's so fun to say. But the first thing we need for this Lushberry Juice is 2 cups of lemonade, preferably strawberry lemonade, but because we didn't see any strawberry lemonade at the store, we're gonna settle for berry lemonade. So now I'm super excited to be able to drink Lushberry Juice myself, especially since this is such an easy Lushberry Juice recipe that you could easily do in like 5 minutes.
Ooh. And
Keep it on the ground.
here, guys, it's going delicious, and Jack's going to pour the bottle into the thing. Oh my God!
So there's 2 cups of berry lemonade, and now we're gonna put into this lovely Pyrex pitcher.
That's not big.
Okay, so the next thing that we need is 1 cup of pomegranate juice. But I'm super excited that we have that pomegranate juice is part of the recipe because I personally love pomegranates.
Oh, that smells good.
Okay, so now we're gonna pour this pomegranate juice in with the berry lemonade.
That's delicious.
So Henry wanted to try a little pomegranate juice because it smelled so good, and he was a bit surprised of how sour it tastes. It is a little tart, but I'm still excited. Okay, so now we have 1 cup of sparkling water, and then once we put this in, the Lushberry Juice will be complete. Okay, so here is our Lushberry Juice. It looks just like what I imagined in the Keeper of the Lost Cities books. Okay, Henry, are you ready to drink it?
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna drink the Lushberry Juice, the first one to drink it out of the kids, and now I'm gonna drink it.
I'm just drinking.
It's so good. It's so good!